Here's how to send DMs to anyone on Twitter. So in order to do this, what you have to do is go to the search button and then basically let's go to Tfue. And so right over here on Tfue, next to this follower button, there's this mail icon. You want to click on the mail icon, and that's how you access DMs. So I could literally say whatever I want to him and then just direct message just like that. However, some channels, such as if we go onto Twitter and then go onto, like, let's say Mr. Beast, as you can see, they don't have the icon, and you might also not have that icon. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So basically what you want to do is head on over to the homepage and then click on your profile on the top left corner. And so once you're in your profile right over here, what you want to do is basically scroll down to the very bottom, and then now you want to click on settings and support. And after that, what you want to do is go down even more and click on settings and privacy. So now that once you're in your home settings, what you want to do is basically scroll all the way to the bottom, and you want to find what says privacy and safety. You want to click on privacy and safety. Once you're in privacy and safety, all you have to do is go down to the very bottom again and then find what says direct messages and click on that. And then right here at the very top, it says allow message requests from everyone. You want to basically just make sure that is enabled and toggled on, so that way you can basically allow messages from everyone.